I'll focus on the losers first before we talk about the gainers. There is a downtick of 0.5% for the Nifty. Commodities, naturally so, have opened soft. So KN India is down about 1.5%. Tata Steel has opened down about 1%. And then a bevy of stocks. I mean, DLF, Coal India, IDFC, Sesa Sterlite. Not to forget private banks, which were strong in Friday's session, have also opened weak. So ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Bank, for example, have all opened with a bit of a red on their takes. Are there any gainers? Yep, a PNB at 982. It's a half-hearted attempt at some bit of gains because of the stock split and the fundraising news, but again drifting towards the red ever so steadily. Bajaj Auto opened with a bit of a tick of green, 2421 or thereabouts, 2422, and I think the quarterly cycle news probably be giving a bit of a fillip to that stock. But that aside, not really too much, even amongst the stocks in news really. I mean, 2 or 3. I just want to point out a 1 Century Textiles, which is in an F&O ban. After a long while, we've seen that stock come into an F&O ban, probably for the first time, and that stock has opened a couple of percentage points down.
You know, it may not be a very deep correction, but all sectoral indices have started off in the red. So be it cap goods, realty, metals, banks, which are taking the sharpest sort of hit this morning, but all sectoral indices are in the red. Be it a CNX Infra, FMCG, oil and gas, healthcare, auto, all of them are seeing red ticks ahead of themselves. The broader markets, that's what you need to look out for. Most of our experts have been, making the point as to how the broader market is easing off, and that is giving you a bit of an uneasy feeling, the kind of volatility that we've already begun to see in the broader markets. The small caps already shaving off a good 1% or so.